Hey guys, so we're out on the lake today. We're gonna do a little fishing because we gotta do a little eating tonight. We need you guys to buy a little more back off so we don't have to catch our own food. I'm just kidding. Once I catch all the fish,
I may catch something.
okay, once we catch the fish, okay, we're gonna do a little cooking tonight. And so I'm gonna show you how to cook fish quick, fast, and in a hurry. And it's so good that it'll be better than in a restaurant. So stay tuned.
Getting better.
See, this is called
Look,
a
I'm
flipping.
serious.
No, I'm serious. Watch. There we go. An underhanded flip, side arm, backwards two-stroke. There he is.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, we're just in the kitchen having fun, guys, and we got us some woohoo fish. And I'm gonna show you how to cook fish quick, fast, and in a hurry. So I've got me some melted butter here.
I'm watching.
I'm teaching
I'm
you.
just watching.
That's right, you watch the master. All right, so I'm gonna throw in some olive oil.
So we need more oil.
Huh?
Butter, oil.
Grease.
Yeah. Fat equals flavor.
That's right, grease. And then I'm gonna throw in some garlic salt. And so I'm measuring this out very carefully. We just get whatever we think. Now, onion powder. Okay, so we got garlic and onion. Is that enough?
I think so.
Probably. And so this is this is my favorite way to cook fish because, and if you'll notice, whenever I talk about cooking, I'm talking about speed, okay?
Speed and ease.
Speed and ease.
I don't know about that.
Well, so far, everything we've talked about is easy and quick. All right, so
All right.
what we're gonna do, you see,
I need to cut
cut
up
my
lemons?
lemons up for me, please. So I'm gonna put the lemon juice on as we cook them. And we're gonna be squeezing.
You want to cut them in half? Do you want
give
to
me
juice them?
about 4 pieces of lemon. Just as soon as I finish, we're out. Okay.
All right.
Now put our pepper on
We
there.
got the pepper. This is called work.
Right.
He doesn't want to do.
It's not fast.
But it's good. Fresh ground pepper is where it's at.
I won't argue that. Okay,
And now we're ready.
let's go.
That was quick and
Let's
easy.
go hit it. And so we are going to listen for the sound. Now, this is not blackening fish, okay?
No. Oh, you want that?
Now look here. We got all this stuff. We're going to put a little bit more of this on whenever we flip it. Now, when you're cooking your fish, you want to watch it. We want to kind of sear it. All right.
All right. It's sounding like it's searing.
All right, it's getting white. That means it's cooking. This should not take more than 5 minutes. And you don't want to overcook this stuff.
Nah.
It's about there. Perfect, perfect. So as soon as I just stick it in there and I twist it, and when it breaks real easy in the thickest part, that's when I take it off. Let's eat.
Fish.
We need to eat it while it's good and hot. Okay.
All right.
Ready to go?
Let's taste it.
So
Come on
let's
with
see
it.
if it's gonna be any good.
All right. Pretty fantastic. I think it's good.
I hope y'all have enjoyed that. Quick, fast, and in a hurry. It's kind of like back off. If you need some back off, we'll get it to you quick,
There you
fast,
go.
and in a hurry.
All right,
And
let's
it'll
eat.
help you out quick. So, hope you've enjoyed it. Thank y'all.
See y'all next
Have a good
time.
day. Bye-bye.